Okay, everyone. Right now, final mock test 1. We need to solve the whole question, inshallah. So, first of all, fill in the blanks. Using BODMAS, simplify 45 plus 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. So, how can you solve this? So, look, 45 plus, we know that we have to do the bracket at first. So, 12 divided by 4, that will be 3. So 3 multiplied by 3. Now we need to do the multiplication. So 45 plus 3, 3 is a 9. 45 plus 9 will be 54. Very simple. Number B. Using BODMAS, simplify 10 multiplied by 8 minus 3 plus 20. So 10 multiplied by 8 minus 3, that will be 5 plus 20. 10 multiplied by 5 will be 50 plus 20. So answer will be 70. Now, number C. The formula for the area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Number D. The perimeter of a rectangle with length 15 centimeter and width 7 centimeter is 2 multiplied by 15 plus 7. That is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So 2 multiplied by 15 plus 7, that will be 22 equal to 44 centimeter. Number E. The volume of a cuboid with length 5 centimeter, width 3 centimeter and height 4 centimeter is length into breadth into height. 5 into 3 into 4. 5 4 is 20, 23 is 60 centimeter cube. Number F. The distance around a circle is called the circumference. Circumference. Number G. An angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Number H. An angle of 270 degree is a reflex angle. A cuboid has a volume of 120 centimeter cube with a length of 10 centimeter and width 3 centimeter. Its height is, so what is the formula for height? Height equal to volume divided by length multiplied by width. Here volume is 120 divided by length is 10 and width is 3. So 120 divided by 30. 120 divided by 30 will be 4 centimeter. Number J. The diameter of a circle is twice the radius. So we know that diameter is twice the radius. So here answer will be radius. Now question number 2. Simplify. So what will be the answer? 7 plus 3, that will be 10 multiplied by 4 divided by 2. At first we have to do the bracket, then division. So here 10 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 will be 2. So 10 2s are 20 and that is the answer of this problem. Now question number B. 20 plus 18 divided by 3 plus 6. So we have to do the bracket at first. So 20 plus 18 divided by 3 plus 3, 6. So 20 plus 18 divided by 6 will be 3. So 20 plus 3 will be 23. Now number C. Number C says 12 plus 8, that will be 20. We have to do the bracket at first. 20 divided by 4 plus 6 into 2. 20 divided by 4, that will be 5 plus 6 multiplied by 2, that will be 12. 5 plus 12, that will be 7. Done. Number D. Here 60 divided by 5, we have to do the bracket at first. So 3 2s are 6. 60 divided by 5 will be 12. So 12 plus 6 will be 18. And that is the solution of question number D. Now question number E. Question number E says 20. Here 2 round brackets are given. So we have to complete the round bracket at first. 25 plus 5, that will be 30 divided by 3 plus 2, that is 5 multiplied by 4. 30 divided by 5 will be 6. So 6 multiplied by 4 will be 24. Now number F. 45 divided by 5 multiplied by 6 plus 3 minus 20. 45 divided by 5 will be 9 multiplied by 6 plus 3, 9 minus 20. 9 9 ja 81 minus 20. So 81 minus 20 will be 61. Number G. Number G says 60 divided by 15 minus 9. So 60 divided by 15 minus 9 will be 6 plus 8 multiplied by 2 plus 1, that will be 3. Now 60 divided by 6 will be 10 plus 3 8 are 24. So 10 plus 24 will be 34. And that is the solution of question number G. H. 100 divided by 5 plus 5, that will be 10 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 7 divided by 1, that will be 7. Now we need to do the division. 100 divided by 10 will be 10 plus 12 minus 7. Now 10 plus 12, that will be 22. 22 minus 7, so answer will be 15. Here answer G and H, G 34, H. Now question number 3. Find out the area of the following figure. Here our figure has been given. We need to find out this. We need to find out the area of this figure. Here at first we need to split this one into two parts. Okay. So here we can say that this one is part A, this one is part B. So we need to find out these two different area, then we'll add them. So area of A, that means area of A plus area of B. Okay. So here area of A, here we can see that this is a rectangle, and in a rectangle we know that area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So here length is 20, breadth is 10. So 20 multiplied by 10 plus what is area of B? That very simple one, 8 multiplied by 7. 8 multiplied by 7. So 20 10 ja 200 plus 8 7 ja 56. So final answer will be 256 centimeters square. We must give the unit. Without giving unit, you will not get full marks because unit is very important here. And the question says all lengths are given centimeters. So you should think this one properly. Okay. So answer will be 256 centimeters square. Now next one. Here we can split this one into two parts again in the previous way. So we can say that this one is A part, this one is B part. So here area of A plus area of B. What is the area of A? Very simple, 2 into 7. 2 multiplied by 7. What is the area of B? Here, look, the whole line, whole length is 8. If this one is 2, then it must be 2. So 8 minus 2, that will be 6. So for B, we can say length is 6, breadth is 4. 6 multiplied by 4. So 2 7 ja 14 plus 6 4 ja 24. 14 plus 24 will be 38 centimeters square. And this is the solution of this problem. Now, draw a reflex angle of 250. To draw the reflex angle, at first we need to find out the different thing, that is 360 degree minus 250 degree. So what is 360 minus 250? That will be 110. So you will draw 110 degree at first because we have only 180 degree semicircle because our projector has only 180 degree. So we cannot draw 250. So at first we will draw 110. Suppose this is one line. Then you will put the center point of the projector here. Then you will draw this one in this way. Okay. So 110 may be this one. I'm not sure, but actually this type of thing will be there. So this one will be 110. Okay. Then the remaining one will be 250. You have to show in that way. Otherwise, you will not get full mark. Okay. Now, number 5. Calculate the following reflex angle by using protractor. Here, at first, we need to find out this angle. This angle actually represents 170 degree by using protractor. Okay. Then what will be the measurement of this one? This one is very simple. 360 degree minus 170 degree. So 190 degree. Similarly, we cannot draw this one. Similarly, we cannot find out the measurement of this angle. So we will find out this one. This one, if we use protractor, this is acute angle and it will be 50 degree. Then what will be the opposite one? This one will be 360 minus 50 degree equal to 310 degree. So you have to show in this way. Now, next one. Number 6. Complete the following word problems with proper statements. A cuboid has a volume of 24 centimeter cube, length 8, width 3. What is the height? So, in a cuboid, we know that the formula for height is volume divided by length multiplied by width. So, volume is 24 divided by length multiplied by width will be 8 multiplied by 3. So 24 divided by 3 8 is 24. So answer will be 1 centimeter. Okay. Very simple one. Number B. The aquarium in Seed Space Workers home has a volume of 6,000 centimeter cube. If it is 30 centimeter long and 20 centimeter wide, how high is it? Same formula we'll use. H height equal to volume divided by length multiplied by width. So height equal to volume, that means 6,000 cubic centimeter divided by length. What is the length here? Length is 30. So 30 multiplied by, what is the width? 20. Okay. So 6,000 divided by 3 to the 6 and 20 has been given. So 6,000 divided by 600. 6,000 divided by 600 will be 10 centimeter. Number C. A playground is 15 meter long and 10 meter wide. How much fencing is needed to go all the way around the playground? That means perimeter. So what is the formula for perimeter? 2 multiplied by L plus B. So 2 multiplied by, here length is 15 and breadth is 10. So 15 plus 10. So 2 multiplied by 25, that will be 50 meter. And what is the area? Area will be length multiplied by breadth. Length is 15, breadth is 10. 15 multiplied by 10 will be 150 meters square. Very simple. Now, question number D. A swimming pool is in the shape of a rectangle with a perimeter of 80 and a width of 15. Find the length. So, what is the formula for length when we have perimeter and width? Length equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus width. Perimeter is 80. 80 divided by 2 minus width is 15. 80 divided by 2 will be 40. So 40 minus 15 will be 25 meter. Then number E. A cuboid shaped brick mold has a volume of 4,800 cubic centimeter, a width of 20 and a height of 8 centimeter. What is the length? Very simple one. Length equal to volume divided by width multiplied by height. So volume is 4,800 divided by width is 20 and height is 8. So 4,800 divided by 160. So 16 3s are 14. So 38 centimeter will be answer of number E. Now number F. Sulaiman designs a classroom cupboard with a volume of 6 cubic meter. If the cupboard is 3 meter high and 1 meter long, what is the breadth? So breadth equal to volume divided by length into height. So here volume is 6 and length is 1 and height is 3. So 6 divided by 3, that will be 2 meter. Very simple. Number 7. The radius of a circle is 15. What is the diameter? When we solve this one, we need to write the formula properly. Diameter equal to 2 multiplied by radius. You need to write this one. So 2 multiplied by 15, that will be 30 centimeter. Then, and number 8, what is the radius? We know that radius equal to diameter divided by 2. Radius equal to diameter divided by 2. What is the diameter here? That will be 20. So 20 divided by 2 will be 10 centimeter. And that is the whole solution of final mock test 1 for class 4.